What's going on, everybody? Here with us another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have another unboxing for you. It's a subwoofer from KLH. It's the Windsor 10. So let's get to it. First of all, if you are new to the channel, welcome. On this channel, you'll find unboxings like these, product reviews of this product eventually, product comparisons, and basically all things home theater. So click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified anytime we upload new content. So we're here with the Windsor 10 from KLH. This brand, KLH, was recently revived back in 2017. You may have heard of it before. They'd sold audio products in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. They were discontinued and revived. So this is the Windsor 10 from the recently revived model, and I'm actually really excited to hear how this sounds because, I mean, anytime you get to hear something basically brand new, that's always exciting. Now, I did get this subwoofer from Worldwide Stereo. They sent this to me for review. If you aren't familiar with Worldwide Stereo, click that link in the description below. They sell home theater products from all companies, basically, like KLH. We've got Klipsch, we've got Sony, we've got SVS, we've got Epson projectors, basically all things home theater. So click that link in the description below so you can find out more about the products that they sell. So moving back to this, the Windsor 10. As you can see, along the front of the box, you have a picture of a speaker along with KLH powered subwoofer, and you have that same branding that's carried basically all the way around the box. Even on the top, it says KLH powered subwoofer. So if you have this delivered to your home, let's say your front porch or the front of your home, you definitely want to be there whenever they deliver it, or have a trusted neighbor or friend pick it up for you. That way you don't have to worry about it being stolen. Otherwise, it looks really good. Right here along the side, it says total weight 32.5 pounds, and I can pick it up. It's fairly easy to carry it up a flight of stairs, but if you have multiple flights or something like that, you definitely want to get some help, or stop every now and then, and of course take the elevator. But that's pretty much it. There's not much else to say about this box. So let's go ahead. I'm going to cut it open, show you what it looks like from the top, then I'm going to sit it on the floor and actually pull the subwoofer out that way, just because it'd be hard to pick up and go straight up with it sitting on this table. And I've got my box cutter. Here we go. Okay, so this looks like it's packed really well. See, we've got styrofoam across here, and then we've got these corners protected here, and looks like we have the user manual here. So I will take this off first. It's nice thick foam to hold the corners together, and here is the user manual, there and there, and it looks like it's for both the Windsor 10 and the Windsor 12. And I really don't see much else in the box, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the floor and pull it out that way, and I'll sit it on the table so you can see it. Okay, one of my corners came out with it, and along the corner of each box, it's got this very heavy duty cardboard here to protect the corners from side impact, so that's good. So basically, I can say that they shipped this really well. And the bottom looks just like the top looks. So you've got, see if I can get it in frame there. Okay, so you've got that same bar along with the corner pieces there. Taped to the back of this styrofoam is the power cable in this bag. Wow. Well, there it is. There is the KLH Windsor 10. First impressions, this is a black ash finish and it looks really good. A little bit of Of course, shipping dust on there. The grill is on here. It says KLH down here at the bottom. Pull that off. Uses the little standoffs or prongs there. You can see it feels pretty high quality. There's that 10-inch woofer, and it sits on this base. The woofer is just a little bit recessed into this cabinet. You've got your 4 holes there. Hopefully you can kind of see that black ash finish there. And there's the rear. So you've got all your connections here along with your plate. And also, if you can see it here, you also have your port. So this is a slotted port. So it is a ported sub, and the air comes out of the back. The Windsor 10 features a 10-inch front-firing driver with a Class D amp that produces 150 watts of power RMS and 300 watts of power peak. It has a frequency response from 32 Hz to 160 Hz. It stands 15.5 inches tall, just over 13 inches wide, and just over 15 inches deep. So there you have it, the Windsor 10 from KLH. Now I am excited to actually review this. I have no idea how it's going to sound, so if that's exciting, it's going to take me about a day and a half to break it in. Then I'll start my review process. So expect to see a full review of this in about a week, maybe a week and a half. If you want to purchase this, click that link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. We'll talk to you next time.